Why every day you come here, you have to smoke that?
Why you don't understand? You want me come like a patient them there? You want me mad like a them?
I never say if mad like a them, but you know, he's half a weed man.
You have to have a good meditation, man. You see me?
You're right. But that will put you over there too, if you can't handle it.
No, me I do, man. You know if you do me thing, you know, man.
Daka come, hide. Morning, Doc.
Morning, Doc.
Where's the car, Doc? Where's the car?
Listen to me. Good morning, sir.
Morning, boss.
I said morning already, sir. I said morning.
You could make me come out and come out from bicycle in peace. Eh? What do I do with sir?
We are having a prayer meeting.
2 men at a prayer meeting?
Yes, boss. Yes.
Boss, I pay mad people in here, boss.
Listen to me. There's a new doctor coming down today, you know, straight from university. A new doctor coming down straight from university today. So listen, I want you to be on the P's and the Q's and get to act together. I can't.
Yes, boss. Q and our P's. We are here to serve and protect you.
Not me, the patients.
Yeah,
I can't afford to mess it up, you know.
We can't protect them.
Yeah, what? And you, how much time I tell you to stop the smoking? Eh?
Okay, boss. I'm gonna stop it, boss.
Listen, I don't want you to think me I run a party shop, you say, you know.
No, boss. We are running a madhouse, boss.
Listen, how much time me I tell you if you call it that? Eh? Don't ramp with me, you know.
What, boss, is what's inside, boss? Mad patient, boss.
They are civil servant. Civil servant.
I see a girl jump through the window there this morning.
Listen, I don't make no breeze touch my bicycle. Make nobody ride it. Yeah? Nobody no ride my bicycle. And anybody come to me not there. But when the doctor come, you can call me, yeah?
I want to take with her. After this, look on this. You think that's scary? Eh? Come on, parking like this and too.
Go ahead, man.
I can't try to park. I can't park in them nice places.
Alright, me I come go for the patient, you know.
You give them food now? Left to eyelid. Even if you hide in your pocket when you come. We have too many mad people here.
Welcome, man. Welcome to Alton Care. We here.
No.
Listen to me. I'm talking to your mommy.
Baby.
So yes, as I was saying, we here at Alton Care, we provide the best service for the mentally challenges people. You understand? And this here is my first assistant male nurse, Pony, and right here is my head of security, chief of staff.
Papa Matalan.
Right. So, and I am Mr. Philip Boilwell.
Okay.
Yeah, Mr. Philip Boilwell.
Nice to meet you, and I am Dr. Henry.
Dr. Henry?
Yes, I am.
Very nice to meet you. But I don't understand why you bring your daughter. Yeah. This is a mentally challenged place.
No, boss, madhouse.
Listen to me. How much time I tell you? Don't call it that. This is a mental challenged place. Why you bring your daughter?
I wanted to take her to the daycare, but unfortunately it's closed at this time, so that's why I'm here with her.
Alright, so this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna just take the day and come back tomorrow so I can introduce you to the patients, and I don't want to take any risks, so I don't think it's safe for her to be here.
Okay, I can do that. But I didn't know there would be any risk though.
Listen, these people, they come from all different kind of madness, and I don't want to take any risk with them. So the baby is too young. But it was nice meeting you again, Miss Henry.
Yeah.
And thank you for coming. to the Alton Care, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right?
No problem. I'll be back tomorrow.
All right. No problem.
Take care.
Let me see you too beautiful.
Stop it, man.
Boss,
Stop it.
singing protection. Why you doing that?
Protection. Boss, I'll fire you soon.
You need some mad house this.
Madhouse, the boss will fire you because you want to try to look at woman. You can't look in her, so.
Come, you go on here.
You know, my daughter, I give me a problem enough. Since she started TikTok, then her boyfriend left her, she just start become one big idiot. I can't control her, none at all. I try hold her, but she frisky, she can't run. So, if you come, carry the youth here, look like he can run, and he's slim. You want somebody to run her down and catch her. You understand? So, she if it's a TikTok, she just start move. So she just alert to that, she just catch her. The TikTok, and by the time she run over, catch her. The man. Can't see to the toe, because he can't run too.
So which one should I?
She there run on the road on so.
Alright. So, come on. The place lock up, everything lock up already?
Like I right place, me carry her door.
Yeah, man, this is the right place, man. Alton Care, we here at Alton Care, we take care of the mentally ill and the sick.
Boss, mad house.
No, me just don't call it that, man. Don't call it that. It's a mental health care.
Because my daughter no mad, you know. Her brain just go and come. So she mad sometime and brain come back. But TikTok and the boyfriend mad her out.
So that matter out?
Yeah, TikTok and boyfriend.
Alright, this is the right place. We have our staff here is very put together. Them tell if you go trim. And you
This is a mad house.
listen, don't make your money here, so that don't make your money so that. So yes.
So what we go do, I have to go give you the location for you can find her. Right, this is the picture. Look. You see how she look? Nice, look her short thing. Nobody look her now, because someone know the mental place, you know. Whoops, I know one of them place there. Because my daughter is a pretty little girl, her body want her, you know. I don't know why she fall in love with that little dirty dog. The dirty dog mash up her heart, and now the heart mash up her head, and then she fall in a TikTok. What go on?
No.
At first,
No worry yourself.
when the boyfriend go left her, you know, she stop chatting, you know. She just no one left out of the house at all. Then when my sister pick up a TikTok, I say yes, this is something good. I start jump on her and she start clap and I start surf her. After a while, the whole place mash up. I come to the house, mash up, everything mash up and see that TikTok and I be a laugh, my laugh. So hope son can manage that job, yeah.
Don't worry yourself, man. This is the right place, man.
Alright, so just let me know how much it go cost us. Pick him up and then when you have him, you call me. What your number go? Press your number on the phone. That means say
Put your number in this.
that means say when you call me as soon as you get control, she run from the road up and down.
Alright, don't worry yourself.
Just show TikTok. So TikTok on the road there and you go see she come out.
TikTok.
TikTok. Cause at that she alert to them to where they.
Yeah, let's go fair now.
Come.
No, man, yeah, come, man. Where are those?
Boss, you know what you say? She mad.
Listen to me. This is what I pay you for. Don't ramp with me. Come.
Okay, boss.
And where you blast your shoes, man?
We can't afford one, sir. If you pay me good, we can buy one.
Don't embarrass me, saying, man. Don't mind embarrassing me.
Alright, one boss.
TikTok! TikTok! TikTok!
You said TikTok too, man.
TikTok!
Boss, TikTok!
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 TikTok! TikTok! TikTok!
That's right, boss.
Because I show truck, I gonna make a hook.
Yeah. Direction.
TikTok! 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 See no man!
TikTok!
TikTok!
Boss.
Come here, girl!
Boss. Boss, come boss.
TikTok, come here.
Come boss.
Come here.
One boss.
I'm not gonna do anything.
Boss, one boss.
TikTok. Come here.
Come here. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Turn around, tick tock, turn around, tick tock.
Come here! Come here, look. Boss.
Come on, boss.
Come on, boss. Boss, are you here,
Boss,
son?
why are you?
Pull up.
Yes, boss. Okay. Good job, boss. Good job. Good job. Good job, boss.
Jesus.
Good job.
Take out.
Boss,
Roll out.
Run, baby. Hungry. Baby, sleep. Hungry.
Hello.
Baby, daddy.
Stop it, man. I'm trying to tell you I'm not a baby daddy. Come in now.
Hungry. Baby, daddy love you.
So yes, these are our patients now. Over there we have 006,
Hungry.
aka foodie. So she eat off everybody food, right? Over here we have 007, which is aka TikTok. If I said you have to be careful on the word TikTok, she might have jump up on you. Yeah? When I say TikTok. Stop it, man! And she is 008. She did breed one cokehead, did end up breed her. So you know how you go with cokehead. The man sell everything. Yeah, sell all the pitney for 15,000. Just born as a pitney born for more time, nothing stay here good. Something wrong with her. She's a very mad, she's madder than mad.
Hey, yeah, but what is double what?
So, doctor, I mean, where's the sheet and why is there 3 persons in a room on a bed?
I mean,
My boss can afford the sheet now. So.
stop it, man.
Boss,
Stop it.
relax now.
Listen.
Is it true?
The head office does not send proper medical care for them. We have to use the out. These people have to stay off the street. Listen to me. Tick tock. Sit down. Tick tock. Keep us up, my girl. Control him.
Control him.
You too.
Doctor, this is what you have to put up with on a daily basis?
Every day.
I think you need to govern them, man.
Govern. I can't do more than what I can do, you know. These people come from all different sides of madness. Listen me?
No, doctor, but first, you can't have 3 persons in a room. This is dangerous.
I mean, I can't do better. Look at them. Tick tock, stop it!
Doctor, right? You don't talk to them like that. They're already experiencing mental challenges, right?
No, ma'am. They are already mad, you mean? They are out losing their brains.
I understand that, but you have to be sympathetic towards their needs, alright?
Alright, what needs?
Alright, listen, I have to run now, you see? So you take over and take charge of the situation.
Doctor, I don't think
you want to talk so much,
Doctor,
you take charge.
I don't think you're handling the situation.
Hello?
You see?
These persons are seriously challenged. What you're saying now, security?
The only time he come in here, unless somebody new come here. He left us to deal with these people.
Alright, okay, security. I appreciate your input, but that's it. I'll take over from here.
You
Alright?
can handle them?
Yes, I can.
Why that one never supper come?
Alright, have a great day.
Don't call me no, madam.
Have a great day. I'll call you when the need arises, okay?
Take that. Take care.
Thank you. Alright, guys.
Baby, sleep.
So, you see, this is protocols when it comes to lunchtime, right? We have to
Protocol?
yes, this is lunchtime now.
But doc, I mean, this is just bread and butter. This is not nutritious enough for these persons.
I mean, the fat, give them fat. The bread, give them protein.
I mean, this is just pure fat and bread. And I mean, what about the other nutrients? What about the vitamins and minerals? The least you could do is give them like an apple or a banana and so on.
If I could, I would, but because the government not really sending much for them, we have to give them what we can, you see? Finger licking! Listen to me, don't do that, man. How much time I must tell you? Come around here. I know coming from. Sit down, man. Did you behave yourself?
Two?
You did owe for one from last week.
One more.
Listen to me, no more.
One more.
Come. Come.
Come on, man.
Sorry, you mentioned take a break. Yeah, Carol. You mentioned take a break. Eh? Let me come on. Come.
Rude baby, don't do that.
Come, she now get no butter. You see?
One juice. I'm not just drinks.
No, rest of it. Your man so come take it. Yeah? You see, doctor, what I have to deal with? Eh?
Oh my God, I see what you have to put up with. It's just so difficult. You know?
I think God if I did ever give them steak, how they would have behave? If we feed them steak.
But I mean, if you can, then you should give them proper and balanced meals. Come on, guys, calm down, eat up, calm down.
Come on, guys. Breathe. Calm down.
Give me back my bread. Keep in belly, Johnny.
You see what I'm talking about with that crave one? You
my
take everything from everybody.
It's just so unbelievable.
Alright, but here, you go have the lunch now. You see, I soon come.
Alright, not a problem.
Alright, I soon come. That's not near your lunch, it's your room.
Oh, I didn't know.